Here are 3 simple tips how to get your first concert. So you've been rehearsing for quite some time and finally you have enough song, you are ready to finally go out and take out the world. So how to get your first ever gig as a band or as a musician? So tip number 1, play for free. Reach out to every local event organizer, venue, band, artist that you know that might fit to your genre and offer them, hey, we want to open your concert, open your festival, we will do it for free, we'll invite everyone from our family, from our friends, and we want to have our first concert. I'm sure there will be someone who will accept your offer and now finally you will have first opportunity to perform. So make sure to have someone to take photos or take videos. Tip number 2, jamming or busking. If you are living in some bigger town, there is a high chance that there is a club or pub where you can just come, there are some instruments and you can jam. So, you can bring your band, perform 1 or 2 songs, it depends how it works in that specific pub or club. And that's your first gig, invite friends, hear some feedback, record again. Also, if you live in the bigger town and there is a nice summer weather, you can go out to town and try some kind of busking. And of course, this depends on the possibility if you can play acoustically. Tip number 3, a little bit more advanced, but there is no easier way how to get your first gig than organizing your own concert. So what I would do is I would reach out to some local club or pub, ideally if they have their own equipment. I would perhaps search for some similar bands, similar artists that might fit with me. And now you have your first gig. So again, invite family, invite friends, try to promote it and enjoy. Definitely take pictures, take videos so you can improve. You have content for social media and that's it. Enjoy your first gig. If you want to hear more tips like this, don't forget to follow us.